let me turn this down before I get a strike. You two gonna be like, strike. Okay, saving with Shay. We're at Walmart for our midweek. Is it midweek haul. So I need 10 rebates for $5. I did do one at CVS yesterday, which was the Almay, and well, one of you guys said it's gonna reset, so I'll probably most likely do it again. So I only need 9, which is cool, right? So this should be pretty easy. What else did I want to add really quick? Oh, some of you guys are asking as far as the weather and how we did here in SoCal, high desert. It was, I feel like the news, like, I don't know if they just do that so that you're, like, they over exaggerate. I don't want to say that, because in some areas it was really, really bad. However, in my area, it wasn't bad at all. Like, our backyard got a little flooded. It rained all day. Was it Sunday? It rained all day Sunday. And yeah, that was basically it. I mean, it wasn't bad at all. And other than that, we did really, really good. So if you are new here, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. If you guys didn't check out my Temu haul that I did earlier, was it last week I did it? Definitely go check that out. I just bought a bunch of clothes for Josiah. Clothes are super freaking affordable, and with the way these kids be growing like little weeds, why spend a lot of money, right? And so yeah, your girl definitely put another order in already, and so definitely look out for another video. And so other than that, you guys, I'll leave it there. We're gonna head into Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. So you want to see what I got? Okay, really quick, y'all. I got suckered into some clearance stuff. I'm just gonna share really quick. Basically all the pajamas are on clearance. They're $3 here. Looks like they were just recently marked down. And so I figured it's a set for $3, which I don't think is bad. So I'm grabbing that one, and I'm grabbing this one, and then I found a couple robes as well. I actually have, I think I have this one right here. I think I have the black one. No, I don't, because it has lace at the bottom of the arms. But yeah, $3 each. But I thought this one was really cute. I think it'll look nice on my complexion. You know, I've always been scared of prints. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I like black because black looks good on me. Black loves me, and I love black. But for $3, I was like, I can't pass it up. So I'm gonna cash out a Walmart gift card on Ibotta and use that to pay for my nightwear. And so yeah, so let's jump into some deals. All right, guys. So the first deal that we're gonna grab is the Nora. It's on the right side. So they also, you can also grab the pasta as well. I got the pasta last time, but my dad really likes the right sides. So I'm gonna grab some for him. And so they're priced at $1.32 for this. We're gonna go ahead and grab 4 of them. You're gonna end up paying $5.28, but then you'll get back $2 on Ibotta. Bringing them down to only 82 cents each. You know, I think I'm gonna grab one for me. I'm kind of curious to try the mushroom one. I think that might be good with steak. And so, all right. And while we're on the pasta aisle, we're gonna grab some mac and cheese. I'm gonna just grab one of the value size boxes priced at $2.08. And then you're gonna get back $1.45 on Ibotta. It'll bring it down to only 63 cents. Now, it's so funny how many people think I do Instacart. I'd be like, no. He was like, you Instacart, huh? I said, no, I do me. I do me. I wish I could say I was getting paid to be here, but no, your girl was paying to be here. But listen, this next deal is on the chorizo. It's $1.62. We're gonna grab the beef. And for that, we're getting back $1 on Ibotta. You might still have offers for 55 cents on Shop Me, Alexa, or Tada, or Swagbucks. Alright, so my next deal is on the Icelandic Provisions yogurt. It's priced at $1.76. We're been getting back $8 on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 76 cents. All right, next up is the beach nut. We're gonna grab the Dino biscuits, which are priced at $3. I'm so curious to try these. Like, obviously I know I don't have a kid that would eat these, and Josiah ain't even trying to look at them, let alone lick them. And so it's like been in my donation box, but I low-key want to try them. Like, I feel like they would taste like graham crackers, but in my heart of hearts, I know that they probably wouldn't. Anyways, they're priced at $3.66. So we're gonna grab one of them. Getting back $2 on Ibotta, and then there's also $1 on Fetch Reward, bringing that down to 66 cents. Now, there's also an offer on Fetch in Ibotta for the waffle ones here, priced at $3.66. The Ibotta offer is only for $1, so $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Fetch would make that $1.66. All right, so next up is the Airwick warmers, 1 count, priced at $1.98, and as you can see, my store is completely out of them. None to be seen. Getting back $1.78 on Ibotta makes that 20 cents. And of course, if your store is priced at $1.78, it would make it free. Alright, the other thing that I'm gonna grab over here is on the Glade the Glade air fresheners. They are priced at well, they're different prices, $2.28, $2.38, $2.47. You end up paying $4.56, but then you're gonna get back $1.50 on Shopmium, or Alexa, or Tada for buying 2, and then it's also $1.50 on Ibotta for buying 2. We'll bring them down to 78 cents each. This next deal is going to be on the U by Kotex, price at $3.30. We're going to grab 2. We'll pay $6.60 and get back $1.50 for buying 1 on Ibotta, and then it's also $4 back for buying 2 on Tada. Bringing that down to 55 cents each. So I was just checking the clearance section over here. I swear, you know, some of these stores, they don't be really trying to get rid of stuff. They just be like, we kind of low-key want to keep it. So they slap this pretty bright ass sticker on it so people think it's like a good deal, but it's really not. Some of these prices is high as heck. I'm like, are you serious? But I did find this Maybelline. I had to scan it because I was like, I don't even know what it is. So I scanned it. It's Maybelline. It's $1, normally $9.98. Getting back $1.50 on I bought a limit of 1. So it's a 50-cent moneymaker. I was hoping it was more of a limit, but this one right here, that one has seen better days. Alright, so my next deal is on the Revlon. So we have a really high value offer on Ibotta, and it's $10 back when you buy 1. And these are all on rollback for $11.48, normally $13.48. So it would make them $1.48 each, which I think is freaking awesome. So I'm probably gonna get all 1 shade and see if I can sell them all as a lot on OfferUp. So grabbing 1 again at $11.48, getting back 10 on Ibotta. The limit is Focusmon. Limit is 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 3 of them. And I've been hearing stuff fall all freaking day at this store. And yeah, one of you guys mentioned finding BOGO Pielesi at Walmart, and I said I would keep my eyes peeled, like literally, get it? Literally, eyes peeled. You know what I'm saying? And I found some. Buy one get one free. It's on eye and lip. Expires the end of this year, up to 7/40. So I think you were asking what's a good way to use these or a good place. I would just say CVS, but we always get offers for Ibotta for Revlon. So if it doesn't exclude the coupon, it'd be a good, you know, choice to use it here too. But I'd probably lean more so towards using them at CVS. So I'm definitely gonna grab a few, just a few. How many's a few? 3? No, we're gonna grab some. We're just gonna grab some. And so yeah. Awesome fun. Alright, so this next deal I got from someone on Instagram. I want to try it and see if it's gonna work. It's on the Pond's, on the blue one in particular. It's priced at $162. There is an offer on Shopkick. It's supposed to be itching for, which is 900 kicks there, which is equivalent to $360. So it should be $1.98 moneymaker. I'm gonna try just doing one on a transaction by itself and see if it goes through or not. If not, hey, we'll just return it. If it does, then I'll probably do it again. So yeah. I'm gonna grab is on the Degree. We're gonna grab the Degree men's spray. The cheapest one I see is $5.78, and we're gonna also grab one of the women's. And These here are priced at $5.78. Okay, so it got super crowded over there on that aisle, and so both items are going to come to $11.56. We're going to use this 4 off with 2 coupon right here. It's in the save on Sunday. You end up paying $7.56 and then getting back 950 kicks on Shopkick for each one, which is $3.80, and then another $2.50 on Fetch for buying 2. It'll make them both free plus a $2.54 moneymaker. Now, there is also like double offers on there, so I may see if I get that one as well. But even without that, you guys, a $2.54 moneymaker is an awesome deal. Now I'm also going to be grabbing the Dove as well, because we have Shopkick offers for these. The men is priced at $7.86 and the women is $6.73 on rollback. So the total for 2 is $14.59. Again, using the same 4 off of 2 coupon from Save $8.27. You'll end up paying $10.59, but getting back 1,000 kicks on Shopkick for the men's, which is $4, and then 525 kicks on Shopkick for the women's, which is $2.10. And then of course we're getting back $2.50 on Fetch for buying 2. It would make them 98 cents each, which I think is awesome considering the degree is gonna pay for it. And so yeah. This next deal is on the Z's. I don't know. Dry eye relief. It's like a mask, an eye mask. I got this deal from Sister Saving You Scents. Shelf price is $9.86. The online price is a little cheaper. It's, I think, $1 cheaper. Yeah, it's $8.96. So grab one, get back $1.50 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Fetch, and 960 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.84. Brings it down to $2.12. All right, last but not least is on the Betadine, price at $10.98. Grab me one of them, getting back $3 on Ibotta, and then there's also 1,515 kicks on Shopkick, which is $6.06, bringing that down to $1.92. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. Everything went really good. I only had coupons on the Dove degree. And yeah, so at this particular store, they do have a new system, and that coupon did not scan for me. And she was saying they can't manually put them through anymore, and they can't price match at self-checkout either. So yeah, there was that. So I did have to take that to a regular register. I went ahead and went to customer service because there was only 2 registers open and their lines were so freaking long. So I went to customer service. There was no line over there at all, and they scanned perfectly fine over there. Now, customer service, though, they do have the old system. And so there you go right there. And they scanned perfectly fine over there. And then there goes the other receipt. I only had, I have 3 receipts actually, 4 actually. I threw the Pond's on a receipt by itself, and then I threw one on with some other stuff I needed from the grocery store. And so, yeah, really quick with the Pond's, it did work. Now, I went ahead and did one first on a transaction. I submitted that receipt. I was really trying my hardest to be patient and just wait for the process, but I didn't have the time or the patience today. So I went ahead and just grabbed 2 more on separate transactions and figured if it didn't go through, I would just return them all. But they all went through. And so I was able to submit for that offer 3 times today. With the degree, that one, okay, so I did have an extra offer for 850 kicks, which I think is like $3. It did go through, you guys, for the degree deal. So instead of that being like a $2.54 moneymaker, it's a $5.54 moneymaker, which is so cool. And I wanted to do that deal again, but again, I didn't have time today, but I definitely will be doing that deal again. Now, I didn't get the offer on the Dove women, so I did have to put a ticket in for it. So yeah, so to be able to get all 4 of these for like free plus like a $3 moneymaker, I'm so there for it. So I'm definitely gonna be doing that deal again. Other than that, guys, everything else worked out really good for this small little haul. And so everything you see here retails $92.03. Again, we only had $8 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $84.03. And the tax for this was $6.23. Now we walk away with $46.95 from Ibotta, $27.50 from Shopkick, $6.03 from Tada, which everything is pending. Alexa is $5.50 and Fetch was $5.26. So we walk away with a total of $91.26, making everything you see here free plus a $7.23 moneymaker, you guys. And even after tax, we still make $1. And so other than that, hope you found something useful in this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button with the door, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.